How to hide likes and comments on Facebook profile picture. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how you can hide likes and comment on Facebook profile picture. So it's a very simple process. Make sure that your application is completely up to date and go ahead and log in into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So basically what you'll have to do is, in order to hide likes and comments on the Facebook profile picture, you have to click on the profile picture from the top left hand side, and while you're on this page you need to scroll down a bit, locate the following picture that you wish to hide your comments and likes on the following image or the post. Let me just go with this one. So as you can see, this is the particular one. So when you actually just go ahead and long press on it or just double click on it so that the image loads, and from here you need to go ahead and tap on the three dot icon, and here you need to go to edit post privacy. Now you can see there are three different options, that is public, friends accept, or you can just go ahead and expand more by tapping on see more, and just make sure to tap on only me. Now you'll be able to see a small lock icon located next to your caption, which indicate that you've successfully hid your likes and comments on Facebook profile picture. So that's basically how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.